Hey guys, so you might hear my little cousin over there.
Hi.
And some other people coming in maybe. But I'm going to be testing out this product.
My name's Kyan.
No.
My name's Kyan. I'm Christopher.
So, it says Sophie on it. It comes with 3 mobile lens clip, 3-in-1 mobile lens clip kit.
I hit the
But
down.
it comes with 2.
I hit the thing.
So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to pop this off,
Down.
is the
I hit the down.
0.67x wide macro.
I hit the down.
Just focus on that real fast if it can.
Okay.
Well, it's gonna be for your, you use it for your phone. So I'm gonna be recording with my phone to see like the difference. So that you screw it on.
No.
You pop it on.
Don't put it in my bed.
like that.
You hear me?
That looks pretty cool. But I think it's supposed to zoom in. Makes me like go farther back.
What?
It don't matter. It still looks cool. So I'll screw this off.
No, not you.
This looks like a bigger one. Pop that off.
I can't see you, Daisy.
Ooh, fisheye lens, 180
I can't
degrees.
see you.
Alright, pop this on.
Mom,
Ooh, how does
It's
that
my
look?
turn.
Oh, dang. Oh, my.
It's my, that's your ball and this is my ball. This is my ball, that's your ball. Who's this Taco Bell?
Oh, look at that fisheye. Look at that fisheye. I don't know why, but I've always been in love with fisheyes. Cause see, look at this. Look how this looks. This looks dope as crap. And it comes with this little bag. You can put everything in. Alright, so today's Friday, and this coming up Sunday, so in 2 days is Easter. I'm probably going to be recording with this fisheye, because this fisheye is dope as crap. I swear. Look at the difference.
It's my bed. It's my
Tell me
bed.
that does not look dope.
It's my bed. This is my bed.
All your dirty clothes in the laundry basket backpack.
What?
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
That was my mom.
Israel.
Okay, so
Is this,
there's this fisheye.
is this girl
I think it
spoon
looks
or
cool.
Jordan spoon? Is this Jordan
Cool as
spoon
crap.
or Jordan spoon? Is this the woman? Is
I
this
think I got a selfie stick. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm
Alright,
this way.
so there's the
I'm
fisheye.
this way.
Back up.
Back.
Don't push me. Oh, he pushed me. Back up.
Yeah, back up. Punch you. Yeah,
Stop acting not cool.
back.
Teen Wolf. He watches Teen Wolf.
Okay, what's this?
Alright, so there's that.
Yeah.
There's both of them.
My mask is
They
over
look
there.
as
Okay,
cool,
who are
but
these, huh?
I don't know.
Can I bring you in
Shut up, little brat. So that's gonna be it for this video. And this kid,
This kid.
whatever.
Whatever.
So
Get this.
yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it.
This video is
And
awesome.
I might be doing
Go away.
some videos where like I'm just like this, and I might have like my selfie stick,
You can't go
On
my
it,
bed,
like this.
okay? Like it's too
and then
late.
yeah, but whatever. So that's gonna be it for this video.
Whatever.
Oh, that looks
Whatever.
so much different.
How we do this?
Okay.
Oh,
This is actually pretty dope.
don't go in my bed. You hear me?
Because it is.
That's
You
your
wish.
bed. This is my
And it just
bed.
like clips on.
You hear me? You see the Jaden and I see the Jody.
Voice changer activated.
Hey! Can you help me down here?
This kid.
Are you going
Whatever.
to-
That's gonna be it for this video. Peace out. And yeah. Woo!